Hello everyone, my presentation is about functional job analysis, which is really similar to what we have been learning about throughout the semester, so let's get started. Functional job analysis was created by the Department of Labor and is defined as a job analysis method that is based on tasks and the premise that whatever workers do, they do in relation to one of three aspects of work. These three aspects are data, people, and things. Data is any symbol or mental manipulation, like words, numbers, or blueprints. People can be both a person or an animal with an interpersonal relationship. An example of this with an animal could be a vet. Things are anything tangible and real that require physical manipulation. This could be a computer, a wrench, or a car. Functional job analysis produces standardized, comprehensive, and efficient occupational reports based upon the performance of work and the performer. Usage. If someone wished to use a functional job analysis, they could potentially make their own to be tailored to a specific company. There are other resources available that can be accessed for free, however. DOT is the Dictionary of Occupational Titles. This was first created in 1939, but has since proved to be difficult to update and maintain. As with most things nowadays, a more common approach can be found online on a site that most of us know. ONET is a collection of job analysis reports which are easily updated and maintained, and most importantly, it's free. Recommended purposes and applications. Functional job analysis is used for a variety of reasons. Some of these include training, recruitment and retention, supervision, or performance appraisal. This could be especially useful for hiring for a job a company has never had before, or for determining what an employee should be responsible for. How it works. Functional job analysis uses trained job analysts to interview and observe subject matter experts or job incumbents. The analyst gathers information by research, questionnaires, observations, or interviews. Then the analyst transforms the data and translates statements into a specific report. It is important that after task statements are written, job incumbents ensure they are accurate and understandable. The Department of Labor requires functional job analysis to be described in a specific way that will be discussed in the next slide. Worker functions. Worker functions are your data, people, or things previously discussed. Work fields are broad areas of work content classified by common tools or equipment and common economic purposes. They are accompanied by a 3-digit number, for example, a registered nurse, number 072. Method verbs identify what the worker does. An example of this could be reporting, consulting, and administrating. Machines, tools, equipment, and work aids are tangible objects used by the worker to accomplish work goals. This could include needles, computers, or a defibrillator. Materials, products, subject matter, and services are work outputs. These could include updating knowledge or stopping the medical emergency. Functional job analysis also reports ratings on traits required by a job in 5 areas. This includes general educational development, specific vocational preparation, aptitudes, temperaments, and interests. They also rate physical demands, sensory demands, and environmental conditions. Two concerns that arise when using a functional job analysis is reliability and standardization. There have been many mixed result studies about the reliability of the analysis. It is also hard to standardize something when using observation and interview methods. Advantages. Advantages of a functional job analysis is that it uses observation methods to record what a worker is doing. It observes the job itself, so important details would not be left out by supervisors. It not only describes how the job itself needs to be done, but also how the job performer does the job. Disadvantages. Disadvantages include training requirements for analysts, observers, and interviewers. This method can be costly and time-consuming. In order to interview or observe a job, you must have permission from appropriate sources, which is not always possible.